Sorry about that, guys. My dad came to interrupted me. But, wow, this is really blurry. I don't know why. Okay, but, you got protection for clothing and shelter. It gives you diagrams on how to build different shelters. There's a lean-to, an A-frame, a snow pit, a tree pit, and a sheet shelter. And down here, there's even a centimeter, like a ruler, which is pretty sweet. Then you got rescue, locations that would be best, and like signaling for help. Gives you diagrams on how to do that, which is pretty sweet. Then you got fire, ways to start fires. Like that. That's pretty sweet. You got navigation. It tells you how to use your wristwatch to go as a compass, a shadow for a stick. Water, ways, sources to do it best to get it, and then like how to get some water, and how to like purify it and stuff. This one is scavenging, like how to do it, and what is the best ways to survive. Knots, they give you different diagrams on how to tie knots, and food, like snares and traps, how to set some traps and stuff. And then this side is inches ruler, and then it just gives you decide to survive, and there's Bear's signature. And yeah, so that's actually really sweet and helpful. The next thing is let's see if I can get this case out. Oh, that was pretty easy. This is the carrying case, Bear Grylls signature, the maker, Gerber, and Bear signature. I thought that was money for a second. I was like, oh, sweet. There's can't really see it. This is just the inside. But, and then we got the knife itself. So, I'm popping another sweet tart. If I can get one. Okay, there we go. Wow, sorry guys. That was really loud. What is this? I ain't got the knife itself. Let's pop this bad boy out. That is a nice knife. Wow. Got the protector here. That's really nice. Very sharp. Oh. I really like this handle. It's got a grip, so it won't slip out of your hands. It's got these reaches for your thumb, so you really cut. That's pretty sweet. Oh, this is sweet. Okay, you got this little button right here. You have to really press it down. Then it folds up. It's not a flick knife. You could do this and then start doing that with one hand, sorry. Maybe if I switch hands to my right hand. You can just do this. Let me get it here. It's always hard adjusting to a new knife. You get it in you. Like that. So this is pretty sweet. Wow, this is a nice knife. It's like dark gray right there, and then you got the point. Let's see. It's nice. You know, a blade sharp when it starts taking off little dead skin particles. Sorry if that's gross, but that's how you tell. Let's see if we put it in the case here. because I wear around 11.5 size shoes, so we'll see. That's how big it is from my foot. So it's pretty big. Yeah, let me get my shoe. These are my practice shoes for track. They're Nikes. Yeah. I put these in. They're like neon green. You really can't tell. They look almost like whitish yellow, but they're really, really dark neon green. So these are, what size are these? 10.5s. And that's a 10.5 shoe for my blade, for my knife. So honestly, you barely got. There's a shadow you can't see. Sorry, you barely got any. Maybe 1-2 inches away from 10.5 inches long. Really nice knife. It has good. Here, I'm trying to get it with one hand and watch the camera. I'm trying to get it to balance. It's got pretty nice balancing on one finger. It has good weight on both the blade and the handle. So, it's a good knife whenever you can balance on one finger, right at the point it meets the blade meets the handle. You got like the handle isn't so heavy that it's like that, like you have to hold it down here just to get it even, but the blade is actually super light. And I'm glad Bear Grylls made a series of knives and hatchets and stuff, because he does survival and he knows the best things that you need, and just different features on a knife that you normally wouldn't have, because the people are just out there making money. Where Bear Grylls is actually doing this because he does his TV show, How to Survive, or something in the wild. I forget what it's called. But I'm trying to think here. This is gonna bother me. Maybe like Surviving the Wild. I forget what it's called. But he knows what you need on a knife and different survival things. Maybe like the blade has more glare, so you can signal somebody in the air, whereas other blades won't be like that. And then like the grip for if you're going through wet terrain or something, you need to kill an animal. This is it's really light too for its size. I'm surprised on how light this is actually. Maybe 2 pounds for almost a 10.5 inch long knife. And this blade's pretty thick too. For a pocket knife, I should say. I mean, this is awesome. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably rate this. Excuse me. It's a Sweet Tarts and Gatorade. I'd probably rate it a 10. Even though I haven't used it, I mean, it's awesome from what I can see. That's a big sweet tart, isn't it? They're giant sweet tarts. Here's a Gatorade. Here's a Gatorade tablet, and that's the sweet tart. So it's as big as a Gatorade cap. So that's why I wasn't talking for a little bit in the video when I was unboxing it, because I was like chewing on it. But yeah, this is a good knife. They have them at Gander Mountain. I don't know how far Gander Mountain goes out in the United States or different countries, but they have them at Gander Mountain and Walmart. I got this one at Walmart just because my dad recommended we go to Walmart to see what knives they have. And they actually had the same exact knife for the same price. I paid $30 for it. And this includes this big knife that's really light, and it's an awesome knife. This pocket survival kit on how to do different things, tie knots and all that, a lot of useful stuff for like shelter and fire and trapping. And this nice, sturdy carrying case. It's really, really nice. It's almost like Carhartt type material. See, and like I said, all this $30, and that is really good compared to you get those small like Swiss Army knives. actual Swiss Army knives, but they have the same features, and they're like $40. So this is actually a good deal. And like I said, Bear Grylls is a survivalist. He does it for a living. He knows what you need. Hence this guide are the basic essentials. And he knows what you need. And that's why he made this stuff, you know. He's got the best of the best. And it's made in, I'm pretty sure it's made in America. So for all of you Americans, yeah, Portland, Oregon, for all you Americans that like buying things that are made in America, this is a cheap American made, but really nicely made, nicely put together, will last me a long time. Knife, not one of those $50 cheap, or not cheap, $50 crappy knives made in America that are plastic and just bad knives. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this on the Canadian trip. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. And like I said, all of this lifetime warranty, amazing case, amazing knife, and this amazing pocket survival kit. All for $30. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you want me to do more stuff like this, just random stuff that I get, tell me, and I can definitely do that for you guys. Definitely get my name out there. I like doing this, and I like, for all my subscribers and listeners, I like doing these videos for you guys. So if you could help me out and, you know, get my name known in the Whispering community, and yeah, so until next time.